Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I am Putri Novela Yudanisi with name 200311026. I am from Biology Education, Universitas Negeri Padang. In the world, there are various species that live ranging from humans, animals, and plants. This is, of course, very closely related to our cultural diversity, because biodiversity plays an important role in the balance of life. Currently, biodiversity itself has begun to suffer or is experiencing extinctions. Here are the causes of the loss of biodiversity itself. Number 1. Human influence. Human influence because here humans have made changes to their original environment. One of them is indiscriminate logging. This will constantly be the cause of the loss of biodiversity because they have lost their natural habitat. There have been many changes that humans have made to their natural environment changes. One of them is in the forest environment, legal and illegal felling of trees, which hold a selective logging system will threaten the living creatures of the species in the forest ecosystem. So that what happens is the extinction or loss of biodiversity itself. Number 2. Natural phenomena. Natural phenomena have made changes in this environment, such as earthquakes. In addition, the reasons for biodiversity are as follows. Number 1. Exploitation. Exploitation of natural resources can be one of the reasons that cause of the loss of biodiversity, one of which is by taking fish in the sea excessively. This will certainly lead to a reduction in these fish species. Number 2. Loss of habitat. Loss of habitat is the reason why biodiversity loss occurs, because habitat is a suitable place for them to survive. Number 3. Excessive human population. Excessive human population. This will certainly be the reason for the loss of biodiversity, which they increase in the human population. The wider the settlement format, the more land that will be used. This is where the biodiversity loss is ecosystem place. Climate change. Climate is one of the factors to surface based on that biodiversity. However, climate change will result in the loss of biodiversity because the climate is not suitable. Is pollution. Pollution will be the result because the pollution produced by vehicle famous factor. Burning will cause damage to the environment. Okay, well, that's all my explanation. Maintaining care for it is easier than losing the most important thing in life. Therefore, as humans, we must be able to protect the environment by trying simple things such as storing garbage in its place, reducing vehicle use, and being frugal in using and material. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.